For only 795,000 pesos, meron ka ng Montero Sport, kulay puti pa. I got you ulit! Good morning guys. Meron tayong new arrival, 2018 Mitsubishi Montero Sport GLX, manual transmission, exterior wise, auto retractable side mirrors, fresh original paint, 18 inches wheels, naka 4-wheel disc brake at makakapalang tires. At sa harap, projector headlights, LED day running light, fog lamps, may chrome accent yung grille at 3 ang ending. At sa engine, it's a 2.4 liter Myvec technology, 4-cylinder, 6-speed manual transmission, turbo diesel engine. At yung kondisyon ng makina, napakaganda, napakatibay ng makina na to. Magdala na scanner at mekaniko para ma-assure mo. At dito sa loob, super intact na headliner, fresh fabric seats at napakagandang design ng dashboard. Touchscreen infotainment system, automatic climate control, USB ports, mini storage, 6-speed manual transmission, 2-cup holder, center console, at napakaayos na steering wheel. May mga controls na rin dito at may cruise control, analog and digital display, at vanity mirror on both sides. May shade holder na rin to at syempre may dash cam. At sa second row, okay ang legs, shoulder and headroom, 6 patang height ko. Meron siyang air vents, aircon controls at armrest na may 2 built-in cup holders. At sa third row, medyo kasya naman ako at meron siyang air vents at 2 cup holders. At sa pinakalikod, LED taillight, chrome garnish, back camera at sa trunk, napakaluwag ng trunk space, may printer, may money counter at kompleto ng tools, spare tire and jack. So this is the 2018 Mitsubishi Montero GLX manual transmission. So kung gusto niyo to guys, for only 795,000 pesos lang, mauuwi na to. Open to for cash, trade-in and financing. So tawag ka na bago ka maunahan dito. Thank you guys. Peace out.